my mind. All I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. We are gonna check out a new song that has been dropped. I wanted to check it earlier itself, lekin I was a little sick, so I was sleeping the whole time. Now I woke up, so let's do this. The song is called Adi N Poontene, lyrical song from the movie Janadayagan. So it's gonna be of Honorable CM Mr. Vijay Sir. We're gonna watch him. And Pooja Hegde is the actress. I'll just read the description and then we can get started. Presenting the official single of the upcoming Tamil film Jananayagan starring the Honorable Chief Minister C. Joseph Vijay Sir, Pooja Hegde, and Bobby Deol, Mamita Vaiju, Gautam, Vasudev Menon, Prakash Raj, Priya Mani, Naren, and others. So there's so many. Star cast, I already told you. Produced by Venkat K. Narayana. Let's look into the music department. Like, who is doing what? Composed, arranged, and programmed by Anirudh. It's Anirudh, guys. Additional keyboard is programmed by Ravi G. Music advisor. Yeah. So cool. We got it. Let's check this one out. I hope you're excited. There's chirps in the background. Sorry, I'm just distracted by the music. Aww. It's a sad song.
முடியாம நின்னேனே புரியாம தள்ளி போவாதே உன் கிச்சு மொழி கேட்காம
It's to show concern, right?
என் சோலையெல்லாம் கண்ணீரில் வாட ஓ நீயா போக சொன்னாலும் போக மாட்டேன் நீ தீயா மாறி நின்னாலும் வேக மாட்டேன்
So she's probably the child, his child in this film.
தூங்க மாட்டேன் கண்ணின் மணி காத்து
Yeah, we're seeing the images of her growing up.
அடியே எம்பூந்தேனே அடியே என் ஜெம்மீனே அறியாம தள்ளி
Oh,
போவாதே
it's so beautiful.
மகளே மாம்பூவே முடியாம நின்னேனே புரியாம தள்ளி போவாதே
I love the vocals. Because it's Anirudh musical. So wholesome. The song was absolutely beautiful because it shows the relation between a father and a daughter, which is very pure and wholesome. You could see his love throughout while she was a child to her growing up. He was always by her side, making sure she's fine, okay, and probably loved. And it probably shows in a way that maybe she was born or taken care of without a mother right from the beginning, because we see a fatherly bond right away, right? I don't know, maybe it could be that even she exists, but considering in a movie perspective, I feel like they must have lost the mother and he is the one who's taking care of her. Otherwise, it could also be that it's not his own daughter. I don't know. Just assumptions at the end of the day. And he's just taking care of her nonetheless because he loves her, right? And that would again be beautiful itself. The song definitely gives you that urge of maybe calling your parents and saying hi. I think a lot of us don't do that on a daily basis, and I think you should stay connected to your families. You know, spread that love with it, because once the time is lost, it's gone forever. The co-star, the small co-star, that was very cute. Her smile, her energy, I could see it. Even though they didn't show us a videography of them jumping around, just, you know, pictorial depiction. It was still very cute. And then once suddenly when I said she was looking cute, she grew up. And that is what parents fears the most of their child, that why are they growing up? They want them to be the small cute, angel that they already are. And I think the song would show you that aspect of the child probably growing up so fast, maybe even getting distant from him, or he doesn't want her to grow up. I don't know what it is. Anyways, the song definitely carries a lot of sentiment, and we felt that while the composition was super and beautifully aligned with it, which is definitely done by Anirudh, and nobody else can do it. Nowadays, it's just Anirudh era when it comes to musical, and we love that, right? Anyways, let me just read some of the comments and we can end this reaction. CM Vijay is okay, but Talapati Vijay is an emotion, and I think everybody who loves him would call him that. But I stopped calling him Talapati Vijay because some people get offended in the comments saying, like, you need to give more respect. It is respect towards him calling him Talapati Vijay, especially because that is what he was called for a very long time in the movies. That is not a disrespect anymore. That is one of his achievements. And when it comes to movies, we like to call him that because, again, like this person itself said, it's an emotion, right? Anyways, we call up CM itself, Mr. CM Vijay sir. Okay, CM Vijay is okay, but Talapati Vijay is an emotion. Yeah, I think there's a lot of people mentioning that. Fans agree with me though. One last time, heartbroken. One last dance, heartbroken. One last movie, heartbroken. One last song, heartbroken, because it's the last bit of everything that Talapati Vijay sir or CM Vijay sir is giving us, and we need more, right? But apparently, this is it, guys. Installa Vijay Anna story part 2 Vantavanga. I am like pudding. Okay, so I think Vijay sir had put up a story. Anyways, if you guys are coming through that, then don't forget to like. Anyways, you need to like. The Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, C. Joseph Vijay. Yes, he is that. This is the person. Right person. CM Vijay fans attendance, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so that the love keeps spreading. Eyes of CM Sir speaks. It always does because he is also an actor. First, he's our actor. Talapati Vijay. Then comes the CM Vijay, of course. Hits different. Honorable CM, Anirudh, music, and Mamitha. All of them were fantastic. Fabulous combo. Yeah, I think that's enough. One last time, a lot of people are crying in the comments, as they should, because this is gonna be the last movie and last bit of everything that he gives us. And I hope that it's not the last. Till maybe one time again, he could come back. Let's just hope. Let's just hope for the best. And thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this reaction, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit on that bell icon so I can see you soon. And take care. Bye-bye. Oh, and by the way, the song is trending on number 17 on the music trending charts. I forgot to say that. Okay, bye.